Hello and welcome to our channel. So today we are going to learn what is the difference between null and undefined in JavaScript. Okay, so null and undefined are two special values and it can be a bit confusing for beginners. So let's start with undefined in JavaScript. So this undefined is a built-in value in JavaScript that represents a variable that has not been assigned a value. That means if you declare a variable but you do not assign a value to it, it will have the value of undefined by default. So here is an example. As you can see, we declared a variable called name here, but we did not assign a value to it. So when we log the value of nail to the console, it outputs undefined. This means that the variable exists, but it has not been assigned a value yet. Understand? Now let's go to null. Null is another built-in value in JavaScript, but it represents a deliberate non-value. Means if you want to explicitly declare that the variable has no value, you can assign it the value of null. Understand? So here is an example. In this example, we declared a variable called age and assigned it the value of null. So when we log the value of age to the console, it outputs null. This means that the variable exists, but it has no value. Okay, so the main difference between null and undefined is that undefined is a default value that is automatically assigned to a variable that has not been assigned a value, while null is an intentional non-value that must be explicitly assigned to a variable. Now another difference is that undefined is a type of value while null is a type of object. Okay, so here is an example that demonstrates these differences. So as you can see, when you log the type of color and type of price to the console, we get different results. Color is assigned the default value of undefined, so its type is undefined. Price, on the other hand, is assigned the intentional non-value of null, so its type is object. So, in conclusion, what we can say, null and undefined are two special values in JavaScript that represents non-values, but the main difference between them is that undefined is a default value that is automatically assigned to a variable that has not been assigned a value, while null is an intentional non-value that must be explicitly assigned to a variable. We hope that this video has helped you understand the differences between null and undefined in JavaScript. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.